Hello viewers, if you are a student or someone who likes to do productive tasks on tablet, in that case this video is going to be helpful for you. We will thoroughly test Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and tell you about note taking, display experience, video editing and multitasking. If you buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 or S9 FE Plus, you will get S Pen free of cost inside the box. You can see that the latency is almost negligible in this Tab S9 FE Plus, and also you will have a great experience while using this S Pen on the large screen of 12.4 inches. This close video will give you an experience or an idea how the pen performs in real world usage. As you can see, there is little bit of delay, but you will not notice it if you don't see it very closely. Samsung tablets are very feature rich in terms of giving you experience of using S Pen. You can see many more features in this tablet, like create notes. You can create notes and also you can write whatever you want to write on the screen of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The Note app is very intuitive and feature rich. You will have all the options that is actually needed to have in a Note app, plus it is free, so you don't have to buy any other editing or writing app. Whenever I need it, I make notes on this tablet, and the writing experience on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is excellent, and as the screen size is 12.4 inches, I find enough space to write on it. This feature is super handy for students who likes to take notes on their tablets. The best part is that you can zoom out or zoom in this editing app, which is not possible in case of iPad's Note app. As you can see here, I can zoom in or zoom out as per my preference or my liking. So this is also a very good feature. Plus, there are many options in the pen section. You can select the nib of the pen and also you can change the color, as you can see here. So these features will definitely enhance the writing experience on Tab S9 FE Plus. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus comes with Exynos 1380 processor, so you cannot expect high-end video editing on this editing software or on this tablet. However, you can do casual editing on this Tab S9 FE Plus. Suppose this is a below 1 minute video and I will edit this and I will add some effects and also some transitions, and after that I will render it into 1080p 60 fps. If you try to render any video in 4K 60 fps, in that case this tablet will fail that task and it will automatically reject or cancel the rendering. So you should definitely render up to 1080p 60 fps but not above 1080p. Editing is not as smooth as iPad 10th generation, though both the tablets are in similar price point. However, I must say that iPad's A14 Bionic chipset is more powerful than this Exynos 1380. This tablet actually doesn't have the capacity of rendering high-end videos, but one thing you can do, you can write anything using the S Pen. That is very handy feature. So S Pen integration in every app or writing tools is a very good feature from Samsung. However, many users actually ask me which app I use while editing videos. So I use InShot video editing app. This is not a paid or promotional video, so I just told you what I use actually while editing videos. As this is only a 1 minute video, it will take less time, but if I try to export 10-minute long or above 10-minute videos, in that case it takes a lot of time to render the video. So if your intention is to buy Tab S9 FE Plus for video editing, in that case I will not suggest you to buy this on the basis of video editing capability. Rather, you should buy iPad 10th generation or MI Pad 7 or even MI Pad 6 or Oneplus Pad 2. After rendering the video, I tried to play that video and I saw that there is no hiccups or frame drop after rendering it into 1080p 60 fps. As you can see here, the quality seems to be very nice and it preserves the details that was available in the raw footage. So I would say that if you want to edit short-term video, in that case you can do casual video editing. Other than that, I will not suggest you to buy this on the basis of video editing. Again, many users actually want to know about the multimedia consumption on Tab S9 AP Plus. Actually, multimedia consumption is excellent on this tablet. You can enjoy your videos, and also stereo speakers are very good on this tablet. And if you talk about YouTube videos, you can play 1080p 60 fps HDR videos, but if you try to play 4K 60 fps videos, in that case it will stutter and lag, and the video watching experience will be very bad in 4K. So this tablet is not for 4K video watching. You can watch 1080p 60 fps. In that case it will perform very well and you will thoroughly enjoy your multimedia contents. This LCD display you will enjoy, though it is not an AMOLED one, so you will not get deeper blacks. However, I would say that the display quality is decent. Multitasking on Tab S9 AP Plus is also very good, as it comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage for the base variant. You will have enough RAM, around 6GB is occupied, so you will have around 2GB of free RAM, so you can store too many apps in the background, and also the performance is solid. But you cannot compare it with iPad 10th generation, because iPad has better app management and also iPad has a better UI than One UI. However, it is not bad. Tab S9 AP Plus is excellent if you are a student and you read a lot of stuffs on your tablet. It has a reader mode, and the reader mode is excellent, I would say. It has a very large display. The reading experience is top notch. By clicking on the reader mode, you can activate the reading experience and you can read. And if you want to know the meaning of any word, as you can see here, so you have to activate dictionary by tapping on the translate option, and you have to select the language you want to translate that English word. I have selected Hindi, so you can see that it is translating that word into Hindi. So this is a very handy feature for students who want to know the meaning of various words. So in the conclusion, I would say that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus is a very good tablet. You can have S Pen in the box, and that will give you a reading experience, also writing experience, and you can do a lot of productive tasks using this S Pen. Plus the display of this tablet is very good, battery life is very good. Only the processor is a weak point. However, you will have a very good screen and multimedia consumption will be a treat to the eyes. So these are some features that excite the users to buy this tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.